Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to this channel to support, like, share, and also comment rin if naka-resonate kayo. Okay, so let's see, Taurus. What is up with you this week? Weekly energies for Taurus. You have the first house. So, focus ka sa iyong sarili. Parang meron kang transformation. Oo, meron kang gustong baguhin ngayong week na to. Yung iba, pwedeng sa hairstyle ninyo, magpapakulay kayo ng buhok, magpapariband kayo, magpapagupit kayo. So, pwedeng matagal mo na itong gustong gawin, pero ngayon, maglalakas loob ka na. And also, Mars is the planet of action. Ayan. It's in the 8th house. So, 8th house is about shared finances. So, maaring you will take out a loan. Mag-a-apply ka ng loan this week. Pwede rin you will start a business. Pwede rin investment. Can be stock market, cryptocurrency. And yung iba pwedeng meron kayong marireceive na gift or pera from your loved ones. Halimbawa, asawa mo, binigyan ka ng cash gift o binigay niya sa yung kanyang bonus. Siya na all. Diba? And I also see you na mas magiging very sexually active ngayong week na to. Bakit may ganun? 8th house kasi is also about your sexual connection with your person, and you have Mars here, which is the planet of passion, aggression. You will also practice self-love, self-care this week. So, yung iba sa inyo, yun nga, pwedeng pupunta kayo sa salon, sa magpapa-massage or spa, papaayos ng nails. You have the 10 of coins. Ganda. Okay. 10 of coins, 7 of swords. 10 of coins is financial stability, financial abundance. Meron ditong 7 of swords. So, kung meron kayong pera, pag-ingatan nyo. Okay? Kasi baka ma-misplace nyo o kaya may madukutan sa inyo. Wag naman sana, no? You have to be alert kasi panahon ngayon, 'di ba? Usually mas tumataas yung mga ganyan, mga magnanakaw. Mga ganitong panahon, mga mga nagbubudol, ganun. So, be careful. You have the Knight of Cups, 2 of Cups. Meron kayong yung iba sa inyo may date. You are going to have a date night with your romantic partner. If you are single, pwedeng ikaw ay maglalakas loob na makipag-date sa iba. To get to know someone. To finally give some time to be more, be more expressive romantically. You also have a decision to make this week. Pwedeng ikaw ay medyo nagdadalawang isip. Saan to? 8 of Cups. Oh, okay. So, meron kang gustong i-explore. Pero syempre, pag nag-explore ka, meron kang iiwanan. So, yung iba sa inyo siguro may pinagdidesisyonan kayo about a situation na gusto nyong iwanan. Kung worth it ba para mag-explore ng ibang bagay. What is the Knight of Cups? The King of Wands. Yes, very kayo ngayon, hyper Taurus. Especially if you are romantically connected with someone. Like, marami kayong activities together ng person mo. Two of Cups, Ten of Cups. Uy, wow, happiness ito. What is the Seven of Swords? Kasi, this is an energy of dishonesty eh. Nine of Wands. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, kahit pagod na kayo, hirap na kayo, pinapakita nyo pa rin na okay lang kayo. Alam nyo, mahirap rin yan. Kasi syempre, 'di ba, akala na iba okay ka lang, pero hindi pala. So, kung meron ka ng nararamdaman sa sarili mo na pagod ka or may stressed ka na, let someone know para hindi ka rin parang nagsusuppress ng feelings mo. Kasi minsan, 'di ba, pag kahit stress tayo or naiinis tayo, ayaw lang natin na mag-create ng issue or drama. Sinasarili natin. And eventually, it takes a toll on us na minsan, de-depress ka kahit na wala naman dahilan. Because actually, yung mga suppressed feelings mo, yun yung reason kaya ka somehow nade-depress. Okay, what is the Ten of Pentacles? Marami kayong pagkakagastusan this week. The Eight of Swords. Some of you financially, parang yes, merong mga pumapasok na pera, but also pwede ring merong mga lumalabas, parang nagli-leak na pera. So pay attention to pag-handle ng finances mo. Baka hindi mo akalain na sumusobra na pala yung expenses mo, hindi mo na siya natatrack, 'di ba? Oo. You have Jupiter in Sagittarius 9th house. So may travel opportunities for you this week or learning a new skill. May mga i-organize ka rin na mga isa sa ayos na mga bagay sa finances mo. I think dito mo malalaman na may losses ka eh. Lalo na yung mga hindi nagtatrack ng kanilang expenses. Merong losses dito eh. Dahil sa impulsiveness na yun, parang biglaan na may nakita kang cute na bagay sa sa mall, bibilihin mo. Tapos pag uwi mo, na-realize mo hindi mo naman pala kailangan. So, pay attention to your spending habits this week and also to organize your finances. And pay attention rin sa health mo. So, mas maganda, practice self-love, self-care. Divine timing. Good things come to those who wait. Yes. Kung kaya mong ipagpaliban mo muna. Lalo na kung spending yan. Kasi maaring mas maganda yung makuha mo. 'Di ba? By the time na ready ka na. Oo, mahirap kasi na ipilit. So, emerging, take a leap of faith. So, if meron kang, ito ang gumugulo sa isip nyo, yung iba sa inyo na gustong iwanan na situation, take a leap of faith. Kung nararamdaman mo na talagang it's time to explore new opportunities, then do it. Kasi meron ditong new beginnings for you. May transformation. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.